In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication in Zoho Mail. If you've ever set up this security measure and find yourself needing to disable it, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth experience. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoho accounts. To get there, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho accounts page. This is your central hub for managing your Zoho services, including your two-factor authentication settings. Once you're on the Zoho accounts page, make sure you're logged in with the appropriate credentials to access your account. Now, once you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is look for the option labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. It might seem a bit hidden, but if you focus on finding account-related settings or security features, you should see it there. The Multi-Factor Authentication page is where you have the ability to manage or modify your security settings for Zoho applications. After you've found and clicked on the Multi-Factor Authentication option, look for a button or link labeled Delete. Clicking Delete will effectively disable the two-factor authentication mechanism. This action might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to understand that by turning off this feature, you are removing an added layer of security to your account. So be sure of your decision to proceed. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully disabled two-factor authentication for your Zoho Mail account. Remember, while disabling this security feature can make logins faster, keeping two-factor authentication enabled is generally recommended for the best security. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to the same spot and set it up again. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues during this process, Zoho's support guides and FAQs are excellent resources. Alternatively, reaching out to their customer support can be a helpful option too. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides and walkthroughs on your favorite software and tools. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy your newly adjusted account settings.